Hey boys and girls, we're almost done with our direct alphabet drawings. We're on letter Y. So we have Y and then Z. So what sound? Y. What sound? Y. What sound? Y. How do I write Y? Y. So we're going to do a yak today. So yak. So I'm going to get my pen ready. Get your pencil and paper ready. All right, so my yak is kind of like a bull and an ox with lots of hair. It has a little bit more hair. So I'm going to make almost like a square, except I'm going to curve it at the top. And then when I come down to the bottom, I'm going to give them some curve lines at the bottom. Okay, go ahead and do that now. So you're almost making like a rectangle, but you're going to have curve lines at the top and curves at the bottom. Inside that, I'm going to do a little close to the top, but not all the way, a circle inside for his face. Go ahead and do that now. And then inside that, I'm going to do like a rectangle. And then on the side, I'm going to do let me try that again. I'm going to do an ear. There we go. That looks better. All right. Then he's got some hair under his chin like a goat. So go ahead and put some there. And go ahead and give him two horns like a bull. And then we're going to give him two eyes. There we go. And go ahead and give him two dots for his nostrils. Remember, nostrils are the holes we breathe out of our nose with. And we're going to just look at two of his hooves. We're not going to see much of it. Okay, we're kind of looking at him from a front view, so we're only going to see two. All right, and he's mostly brown, so they've got kind of a yellow part. Well, it's more of a cream color, but we don't have that. So let's use yellow to color where his nose is. Okay, I'm going to start with that. I'm going to see if it'll let me put the dots back. Yes, it will. Okay, good. Then his ears, they have red for his ears right here. What sound? Yeah. What sound? Yeah. What sound? Yeah. How do I write yeah? Yak with a Y. You write yeah with a Y, and this is yak. All right, and then his hair, like where his little goatee is here under his chin, is red as well. And then they want his horns to be gray. Okay, and then the rest of his body is going to be brown. So I'm going to get my brown. I want you to do your best coloring. Try to stay inside the lines. Start down here with his little hoofs. All right, try to color all the white space. Try to stay inside the lines. And then we'll go back and write yak in just a minute. All right, you're going to color his body brown. You can color his face brown. I'm not going to because I don't want to color over what I already did. But you can color his face brown because they have it that way in the picture. All right, so what sound? Yeah. What sound? Yeah. What sound? Yeah. How do I write yeah? Y. Let's try to think of some other things that start with yeah. I thought of yard, yogurt, A toy called a yo-yo. The word yuck or yucky. A special fancy boat called a yacht. A yacht. A dice game called Yahtzee. Yahtzee. Have y'all ever played Yahtzee before? It's a board game. If you've never played any board games, oh, you should. They're so fun. Candyland is a good one. Chutes and Ladders. All right, we've got our yak. All right, so what sound? Y. What sound? Y. What sound? Y. How do I write y? Y. So yak, y, y. Y, A, K. Yak. Yak is an animal. Yak can also mean talking. If somebody says, quit your yakking, if they're saying you yak too much, they're saying you talk too much. So, all right, there's our letter Y. We have one more letter left. See you tomorrow.